Hello friends, welcome back to a garden named Bill. This is week 24, and I'm in a very relaxed mood, so I've prepared something a little bit different. We're going to have our overview shot with just the sounds of nature, and then for the 5 things that I have left that I'm really still picking in regularity, I've prepared a haiku for each of them. So this is your very zen garden tour for our 6th lunar month, week 24. Glory of the dawn, you grow tall and bow your head, sunflowers golden. Red, yellow, or green, vining, growing, tasting sweet, canning time is here. Behold such bounty, boundless joy you bring to us. Raspberries ruby, wood to build more beds, promise of the garden next, you make my heart sing. Ornamental flare, coconut and spaghetti, squash, 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 squash.